Into the fascinating world of support. Have you ever wondered how living things, from the tiniest insects to the tallest trees, manage to stand upright and move around? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of support systems and living organisms. Support is essential for life. It gives shape, allows movement, and protects vital organs. Whether it's the sturdy trunk of a tree or the flexible backbone of a cat, each organism has its own way of staying upright. In this video, we'll explore the different types of support systems found in nature and discover how they help living things thrive in their environments. Let's get started on this journey into the science of support. Support systems are crucial for all living things. Without them, plants would collapse, animals couldn't move, and even humans would be unable to stand or walk. Support gives structure to bodies, helps maintain shape, and allows for movement and growth. It also protects delicate organs from injury. Imagine a world without bones or stems. Life would look very different. Understanding support systems helps us appreciate the complexity and beauty of nature. In the next scenes, we'll look at how different organisms solve the challenge of support in unique ways. Start with plants. Plants rely on their stems, trunks, and roots for support. The stem holds leaves up to the sunlight while roots anchor the plant in the soil. In trees, the trunk is thick and strong, allowing them to grow tall and withstand wind. Some plants, like vines, use other structures for support, wrapping around fences or trees. The cell walls in plant cells also provide rigidity, helping the plant maintain its shape. Without these support systems, plants would simply flop over and be unable to survive. Key feature of plant support is the cell wall. Each plant cell is surrounded by a tough wall made of cellulose. This wall gives the cell its shape and prevents it from bursting when water enters. The combined strength of millions of cell walls helps the plant stand upright and resist gravity. This is why even soft plants like grass can stand tall after rain. The cell wall is a simple yet effective support system that's unique to plants. Plants can have different types of stems. Woody stems, like those in trees and shrubs, are hard and strong, allowing the plant to grow tall and live for many years. Herbaceous stems found in flowers and grasses are softer and more flexible. These plants usually don't grow as tall and often live for just one season. Both types of stems provide support, but in different ways suited to the plant's lifestyle and environment. Roots are often hidden underground, but they play a vital role in supporting plants. Roots anchor the plant firmly in the soil, preventing it from being blown away by wind or washed away by rain. They also absorb water and nutrients, which are essential for growth. Some plants have deep taproots, while others have a network of fibrous roots. Both types provide strong support and help the plant survive in different environments. Animals have evolved a variety of support systems to suit their lifestyles. Some animals, like insects and crabs, have hard outer shells called exoskeletons. Others, like humans and birds, have internal skeletons made of bone. These structures give animals their shape, protect organs, and allow movement. The type of support system an animal has depends on its size, habitat, and way of life. Let's explore these systems in more detail. Exoskeletons are tough outer coverings found in animals like insects, spiders, and crustaceans. Made of a material called chitin, exoskeletons provide excellent protection and support. They act like armor, shielding the animal from injury and preventing water loss. However, exoskeletons don't grow with the animal. To get bigger, these animals must shed their exoskeleton and grow a new one, a process called molting. Molting is a fascinating process. When an animal outgrows its exoskeleton, it forms a new, soft one underneath. The old exoskeleton splits and the animal crawls out. The new exoskeleton then hardens, giving the animal room to grow. This process is risky as the animal is vulnerable until its new shell hardens. Molting allows insects and crustaceans to grow larger and adapt to their environment. Like exoskeletons, endoskeletons are internal support structures found in animals like fish, birds, mammals, and reptiles. Made of bone and cartilage, endoskeletons provide a strong framework for the body. They support muscles, protect organs, and allow for complex movements. Endoskeletons can grow as the animal grows, making them ideal for larger animals. Let's take a closer look at how endoskeletons work. Bones are the main component of endoskeletons. They are strong, lightweight, and slightly flexible, making them perfect for support and movement. Bones also store minerals like calcium and produce blood cells. In humans, the skeleton is made up of over 200 bones, each with a specific function. Bones work together with muscles to allow us to walk, run, and jump. Without bones, we'd be unable to move or even stand. Cartilage is another important part of the endoskeleton. It's softer and more flexible than bone, found in places like the nose, ears, and joints. Cartilage cushions bones, reduces friction, and allows smooth movement. In some animals like sharks, the entire skeleton is made of cartilage, making them lighter and more flexible in the water. Cartilage is essential for both support and movement. Human skeleton is a marvel of engineering. It supports our body, protects organs like the brain and heart, and allows us to move in countless ways. The spine or backbone is especially important. It keeps us upright and flexible. Our skeleton also changes as we grow, with bones fusing together and becoming stronger over time. Let's explore some key parts of the human skeleton. Spine or vertebral column is the central support structure in humans and many animals. Made up of small bones called vertebrae, the spine is both strong and flexible. It protects the spinal cord, supports the head, and allows us to bend and twist. The spine's unique design helps us maintain balance and posture, making it one of the most important parts of our skeleton. Joints are where two or more bones meet. They allow our bodies to move in different ways, from bending our knees to waving our hands. Some joints, like the shoulder, allow a wide range of motion, while others, like the knee, move in just one direction. Cartilage and fluid in the joints help reduce friction and keep movement smooth. Healthy joints are key to staying active and mobile. Muscles work together with the skeleton to provide movement and support. They attach to bones and contract to create motion. Without muscles, our skeleton would be useless for movement. Muscles also help maintain posture and protect joints. The combination of bones and muscles is what allows us to run, jump, and even smile. This partnership is vital for all animals with endoskeletons. Some animals like worms and jellyfish don't have bones or shells. Instead, they use a hydrostatic skeleton. This system relies on fluid-filled cavities surrounded by muscles. When the muscles contract, the fluid shifts and changes the animal's shape, allowing movement. Hydrostatic skeletons are flexible and perfect for animals that live in water or soft soil. Let's see how this unique system works. Earthworms, jellyfish, and sea anemones are great examples of animals with hydrostatic skeletons. Their bodies are soft and flexible, allowing them to squeeze through tight spaces or float in water. The fluid inside their bodies acts like a cushion, supporting their shape and helping them move. This type of support is simple but effective for life in certain environments. Now that we've explored different support systems, let's compare them. Exoskeletons are tough and protective but must be shed for growth. Endoskeletons are internal, grow with the animal, and allow for larger body sizes. Hydrostatic skeletons are flexible and perfect for soft-bodied animals. Each system has its own advantages and is suited to the organism's needs and environment. Vertebrates are animals without backbones. Many rely on exoskeletons for support, like insects and crustaceans. Others, like worms, use hydrostatic skeletons. Some invertebrates, such as sponges, have simple support structures made of fibers or spicules. These systems allow invertebrates to survive in a wide range of habitats, from deep oceans to dry deserts. Vertebrates are animals with backbones, including fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. Their endoskeletons are made of bone and cartilage, providing strong internal support. This allows vertebrates to grow larger and move in complex ways. The backbone is a defining feature, protecting the spinal cord and supporting the body's weight. Fish have unique skeletons adapted for life in water. Their bones are lightweight and flexible, helping them swim efficiently. Some fish, like sharks, have skeletons made entirely of cartilage, making them even more agile. The fins and tail are supported by special bones or rays, allowing precise movements in water. Birds have skeletons designed for flight. Their bones are hollow and lightweight, reducing body weight without sacrificing strength. The breastbone is large and strong, providing a place for powerful flight muscles to attach. Wings are supported by modified arm bones, allowing birds to soar, glide, and maneuver in the air. Mammals, including humans, have strong, dense bones that support their bodies on land. The skeleton is highly adaptable, with different shapes and sizes for running, climbing, swimming, or flying. Mammals' skeletons protect vital organs and provide attachment points for powerful muscles. This versatility has helped mammals thrive in nearly every environment on Earth. Reptiles have sturdy skeletons that support their bodies on land. Their bones are often more solid than those of birds or fish, helping them move efficiently on dry ground. Some reptiles, like snakes, have many vertebrae, making them flexible and able to slither. Others, like turtles, have shells that are part of their skeleton, providing extra protection. Amphibians, like frogs and salamanders, have skeletons that allow them to live both in water and on land. Their bones are lightweight and flexible, perfect for jumping or swimming. Amphibians often have long, strong legs for leaping and webbed feet for swimming. Their skeletons are a great example of adaptation to different environments. Even tiny organisms need support. Some microorganisms, like bacteria, have cell walls that give them shape and protect them from bursting. Others, like protozoa, use internal structures called cytoskeletons for support and movement. These systems are simple but effective, allowing microorganisms to survive in a wide range of environments. Cytoskeleton is a network of protein fibers inside cells. It helps maintain the cell shape, supports movement, and organizes the cell's contents. In animal cells, the cytoskeleton is especially important because they lack a rigid cell wall. The cytoskeleton allows cells to change shape, move, and divide, making it a vital support system at the microscopic level. Fungi, like mushrooms and molds, have their own support systems. Their cells have walls made of chitin, similar to the exoskeletons of insects. This gives fungi structure and helps them grow in different shapes and sizes. The network of filaments, called hyphae, provides support and allows fungi to spread through soil or decaying material. Living things have evolved amazing adaptations for support. Cacti have thick, water-storing stems to survive in deserts. Birds have lightweight bones for flight. Elephants have massive, pillar-like legs to support their weight. Each adaptation helps the organism survive in its unique environment, showing the incredible diversity of life. Support systems don't just hold organisms up, they also enable movement. Muscles pull on bones or exoskeletons to create motion. In plants, growth and water pressure help leaves and stems move toward sunlight. Even microorganisms use their support systems to swim or crawl. Support and movement are closely linked in all living things. Support systems also protect vital organs. In humans, the skull shields the brain and the rib cage guards the heart and lungs. Insects' exoskeletons act like armor, while plant cell walls protect against pests and disease. This protective function is just as important as providing structure or movement. As living things grow, their support systems must adapt. Plants thicken their stems, animals' bones grow and strengthen, and insects molt their exoskeletons. This growth is carefully controlled to ensure the organism stays strong and healthy. Without proper support, growth would be impossible. Living things face extreme conditions like deep-sea pressure or desert heat. Their support systems are specially adapted to survive. Deep-sea creatures have flexible bodies to withstand pressure, while desert plants have thick, water-storing tissues. These adaptations show how support systems help life thrive in even the harshest places. Support systems have evolved over millions of years. Early life forms had simple support structures, but as life diversified, new systems appeared. The evolution of bones, shells, and cell walls allowed organisms to grow larger, move faster, and survive in new environments. Studying these changes helps us understand the history of life on Earth. Humans have a big impact on the support systems of other living things. Pollution, habitat destruction, and climate change can weaken plant stems, damage animal bones, or disrupt growth. Conservation efforts aim to protect these systems, ensuring that life can continue to thrive. It's important to understand and respect the support systems that keep nature balanced. Modern medicine has developed ways to repair or replace damaged support systems. Broken bones can be set and healed, artificial joints can restore movement, and stem cell research may one day help regrow tissues. These advances improve quality of life and show how understanding support systems benefits everyone. We rely on support systems every day, often without thinking about it. Our bones and muscles let us walk, run, and play. Plants provide food and oxygen thanks to their sturdy stems and roots. Even the smallest creatures depend on support to survive. Recognizing this helps us appreciate the wonders of life all around us. Scientists and engineers often look to nature for inspiration. The design of bridges, buildings, and robots is influenced by the support systems found in plants and animals. Studying how nature solves the problem of support can lead to stronger, lighter, and more efficient technologies. Study of support systems is always evolving. New discoveries in biology, materials science, and engineering are changing how we understand and use support. From artificial bones to bio-inspired robots, the future holds exciting possibilities. By learning from nature, we can create better solutions for people and the planet. Let's review what we've learned. Support systems are essential for all living things, providing structure, protection, and movement. Plants use stems, roots, and cell walls. Animals have exoskeletons, endoskeletons, or hydrostatic skeletons. Each system is adapted to the organism's needs and environment. Understanding support helps us appreciate the diversity and complexity of life. Now it's your turn. Can you name the 3 main types of support systems in animals? What role do cell walls play in plants? How do exoskeletons differ from endoskeletons? Testing your knowledge helps reinforce what you've learned and makes the information stick. Give it a try and see how much you remember. Did you know that giraffes have the same number of neck bones as humans, or that bamboo is one of the strongest plant stems in the world? Support systems can be surprising and fascinating. These fun facts show just how diverse and amazing the natural world can be when it comes to staying upright. Support systems are the foundation of life. They allow plants to reach for the sky, animals to move and hunt, and humans to explore the world. By understanding how support works, we gain a deeper appreciation for the complexity and beauty of living things. Take a moment to reflect on how support shapes the world around you. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the support systems of living things. We hope you've learned something new and gained a greater appreciation for the wonders of nature. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating science videos. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.